Why did the demand for labor increase as tobacco farming expanded?
Because tobacco is quite hard to make, and only one person can raise 2 or 3 tobacco plants. So if they need to make more tobacco, they need more people to take care of the tobacco plants. So that's why they needed more slaves.
Who were the unwilling colonists mentioned in the chapter, and what were their experiences?
The unwilling colonists were the slaves, and they were unwilling to do their work, and they just had to do their work, and they didn't like it.
What were their experiences?
They had to stay in the hot sun all day, taking care of plants, and barely got any food.
Why do you think slavery became more appealing to colonists compared to other forms of labor at that time?
What's the question again?
Why do you think slavery became more appealing to colonists compared to other forms of labor at that time?
Because they could buy many of them, and they could do most of their work.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And how does understanding this chapter influence your perspective on the complexities of colonial history?
It shows that people before really used slaves to do their work. Yeah. Much more.
How does understanding this chapter influence your perspective on the complexities of colonial history?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, can you narrate everything you know about this chapter 7, the spread of slavery?
It all starts out with a man named John, and John went to Vietnam, and he had some Spanish tobacco with him. And then he was with some friends, and they were smoking some Vietnamese tobacco, and they said it tasted not that good. So what he tried doing, he tried mixing both of the tobaccos, and when he tried it, he and his friends loved it. And so their plan was to sell in London, because London had almost everyone there smoked tobacco in London. So that's where they were gonna sell it, and many people liked it. But the only problem was that they could only make little of it, because they needed a lot of people to make more tobacco. But one day, a slave trader ship arrived and they bought 20 slaves, and that's when they realized that the slaves really are helpful, and they helped their business a lot. So what they did, they kept on buying more and more slaves so they could make more and more tobacco. And soon enough, they got rich. But the only problem was the slaves had to stay in the hot sun all day, and they barely got any food. And the sad part is they never got to see their homeland again. And that's all.
Thank you, Noah.